So hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about Notion, but with a specific focus, setting up your very own Notion homepage. So in this video I'll be discussing about how you can manage uh, every page, every database in your Notion from just one single homepage. But before we get started, if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you're always in the loop with our latest Notion tips and tricks. So with that being said, let's get started. So you might be wondering, why do I need a Notion homepage, right? Well, think of it as the front door to your digital life. It's the place where you start your day, get organized, and access everything you need. It's like a personal command center. All right. So yeah, designing your Notion homepage is all about personalization, and it's a reflection of your workflow, your priorities, and your style. No two Notion homepages are exactly alike. So you've got two main approaches here: using a template or building it from a scratch. If you are new to Notion, starting with a template can be a real time saver. Notion has a bunch of fantastic homepage templates to choose from, and I already have a few months of experience using Notion, so I'm not going to use the templates right now. I'm going to start it from the scratch. So yeah, you can pick one that resonates with you and start customizing. So now let's talk about the key elements that you might want on your homepage. So a homepage is like a great place to display your most important tasks and deadlines. You can create to-do lists, set reminders, and even track your progresses right here. And you can set your goals, you can set your inspirations, databases, everything. And yeah, and the one important advice or tip I would like to give you is, as you build your home page, keep organizing in your mind. Use columns, use headers and dividers to create a clean and visually appealing layout, right? So, and the Notion's drag and drop feature makes it very easy to arrange elements exactly how you want them. So it's uh, very useful website, or we can call it an app, whatever. It's very useful for anyone like me who is very obsessed about being organized. All right, let's get started. All right, so let's log into Notion. You can go to Chrome and you can download it from there. It's very simple. And then I'll log in with my Gmail, and you can use the same email ID to use it on your phone and as well as on your desktop at the same time. So I have already installed Notion in my desktop, so I'm opening it from there. I'm going to my desktop version, and this is how you get the first page, getting started. And then after that, I'm going to click on the new page. I'm going to add a new page, and I'll rename it as home. And I'll I'll start writing about whatever the things that I like. I'll write personal, and then I'll write trackers, and then third one was for work related files, and then self development, and the last one is related to spiritual life. Alright, so these are the five things that I require now. Now I'm going to drag the second thing directly to the end of that blue line, which is like horizontal blue line, and I'm going to repeat this procedure for every single items. Alright, and now let's enlarge it. Yes, and let's add some icons to our home page. And actually I have already created my Notion profile picture, so I'm going to upload it here. And if you want to know how to create a Notion profile picture like this, drop me a comment below, and then I'll change the cover picture. So I'm going to upload a cover from Unsplash. Let's see, I'm not going to use it, this one. Yeah, this one is cool. Right, I'll choose this one. Okay, and yes, so here we have it, and let's color our headings. So I'm going to use yellow, red. I'm going to use same color for all the five of the topics. Alright, now so as we have the main categories here, let's create subcategories. And under personal, I'm going to write groceries, and then I'm going to write to-do list for daily tasks and weekly tasks. And then also I'm going to write courses for trackers, and then I have habit trackers, and also I have let's say goals. Alright, and yes, and for work related I'm going to use customer relationship, and then professional contacts, very important. And also I have job lists, like for any other companies if I'm trying to move, like trying to change my company, this comes very handy. And then for self development I'm using hair growth tips, and then skincare tips or skincare whatever, and then gym. All right, and for the spiritual part I'm going to write Bible verses daily. After Bible verses I'm going to write prayer points. Perfect. Now what I'm going to do is these are just words or text. As of now I'm going to turn it into a page. Click here and then turn it into a page. So I'm going to choose an icon. Well, you already have an icon in the Notion app itself, but I'm going to download icons from this website called iconfinder.com. You can also visit, it's actually free and paid both, but the free version will work. And for groceries I'm going to search groceries, and then it will give me a bunch of groceries. And then yeah, let's download one free icon for groceries. Let's upload it here. Now just like this you have to repeat this task for each and every topics or every pages that you have created. You have to first turn it into a page, and then you have to select an icon. So yeah, this is how it looks. I have actually speed up this video just for the sake of saving time, and you can see how the repetitive task works, right? And I like to keep my Notion in black and white because it is kind of aesthetic to me, and I like to stick with black and white. Alright, so here we have the everything that I was saying. Right, here we have the main home page of Notion where I can add pages and sub pages over time. So yes, this is how we set up a Notion page, and uh, in my next video I'll show you how to manage everything under this. So this is how it looks. uh, well, you might be worrying about the contents inside, right? So I'm going to discuss about these contents in the upcoming videos, so please make sure to subscribe my channel. And if you have any doubts related to Notion, or if you have issues making changes or anything, please do a comment, or you can also write to me. I have my email listed down in the description box. You can feel free to write, and then I'll respond as soon as possible. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful to you. Please make sure to subscribe my channel, and let's see in the next video. Bye bye.